Some students my age like to play sports. Others love fashion or computer games. As for me, spelling bees are my biggest passion. Every day after school, I sit on the front steps of my house reading through my old dictionary. My training pays off when I get what my friends can hardly spell. It's 6:30 on a Friday morning. As soon as I open my eyes, I feel butterflies in my stomach. To calm my nerves, I remind myself of the fact that I'm one of the best spellers in my grade. In fact, I'm not aiming to win the national competition. All I want is to beat my biggest rival then, at the school's spelling bee. His passion for spelling isn't as strong as mine, but he seems to be a good speller without putting much effort into it. Actually, his true interest lies in math and science. I bet he'll be out in the first round, especially if he gets a literary word like metamorphosis. My dad is already making breakfast in the kitchen. I tell him how nervous I am while he puts scrambled eggs onto my plate. Can you quiz me on some words, Dad?
Sure, Olivia. Let's start with a hard one. Serendipitous.
I make a face. Well, that's too easy for me. SERENDIPITOUS.
Yes, you got it. How about narcissism?
Easy. NARCICISM.
I'm afraid that's wrong.
I put down my fork. What do you mean it's wrong? NARCICISM. That's how it's.
Sorry, dear, that's not the answer. You can look it up in the dictionary if you want.
I hurry to my room and get out my dictionary. KLMN. I search the page and find it. Narcissism. I close the book and walk back to the kitchen. You are right, I say sadly, sliding back into my chair.
Oh, cheer up. Now you will know how to spell it if you get it at the...
At school, I spend the whole morning staring at the clock. The spelling bee is after lunch and I can't wait. The first class is math, which is Dan's favorite. Mr. Steve writes an equation on the board. 2a squared a equals b.
What's your sure way to write this?
Mr. Stephen asks. Dan raises his hand right away and Mr. Stephen calls on him to answer.
2a squared equals b.
I take my eyes off the clock and look at Mr. Stephen. A and B are just letters. They are 4 words. How can you say they equal anything? Dan puts up his hand again and says,
There are lots of letters in math too.
I gave him a nasty look. I'm definitely going to reach him what letters really are for this afternoon.